Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans here in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Ram ProMaster 3500. It's the extended. And it's the Sherry, we put a Sherrod conversion on, so it's a 9-passenger van. Stock number 30798T. Beautiful van. Of course, these 3500s are on a 159-inch wheelbase. They just extend the rear end of the vehicle out so you get some more cargo room, what have you. This van here is Patriot blue in color. It is a high top. Brand new. Gorgeous color. You'll see the interior. It's a light tan. Great combination. Now our Sherry vans, built by Sherrod, beautiful. They got fog lights on them. Sharp black 16-inch painted wheels. You do have the running boards full length of the van here on both sides. Tinted glass, privacy glass throughout the whole rear end of this vehicle. Beautiful leather interior. You got the two captains up here in the front for the driver and the passenger. All in the light tan leather. And see in the back there's 4 more captains. And they are a power recline, and you've got a power sofa in the rear. It seats 3. So there you got your 9-passenger. And that rear sofa does lay down. I'll show you here in a minute. By power. Of course, now we got the large radios. Uconnect 5 system with your navigation. Leather wrap steering wheel. You've got a lot more in these new years, 22 and 23. It's the 23. You get the blind spot monitoring, lane departure, cross path detection. A lot more safety equipment than there used to be on these things. It's a wonderful thing. Which here's your temperature control zone, 9-speed transmission, powered by a 3.6 Pentastar motor, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. These actually also, I'll show you here, the outside mirrors, exterior mirrors, are power to fold in. Now we've got to go in a tight parking spot. You're good to go. Phone charger. Front 2 captains here for the driver and the passenger are heated. This is equipped with backup camera, tow package, along with the wiring. These barn doors are excellent in the rear here. These things will fold almost flat with the side of your van when you open them up. Of course, you got on the back windows here, you've got the accordion blinds, and you actually got those all throughout the van here in the rear. Plenty of cargo space. Now here are your controls for your power sofa. We can recline this. It'll either also slide forward, backward, what have you. Ram 3500 ProMaster badging. Again, you've got running boards all throughout the length of the passenger side here. Large sliding power, or large door here. Sliding side door. Plenty of room. Now these captain's chairs here are on a swivel. I will swivel the chair. Right here you've got power recline. Just more comfort. You've got lit up cup holders throughout. HDMI cables. Power hookups by each seat. The indirect lighting, love it. Goes around the decorative boards here, and you do have a cabinet in the back for storage. Of course, you got speakers throughout. 32-inch smart TV Vizio, paired up with a LG Blu-ray player. Here's your rear climate control for your AC and your heat. Beautiful light interior. Love it with that Patriot Blue out there. Black carpet. Well, there you have it. 2023 Chery van by Sherrod. 9-passenger, 3500 extended Ram ProMaster. Here at Chery Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.